Dexcom G6 transmitters need to be replaced every 90 days. You must replace your sensor whenever you replace your transmitter. If you can, avoid replacing your sensor and transmitter before bed or any other time when you are not able to monitor your glucose levels for several hours after the change. Before you begin, make sure you have the supplies you will need. You need a CGM sensor, a new CGM transmitter, and an alcohol swab. From the home screen of your iLet, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. Tap the CGM icon in the middle of the first row. Tap CGM info. Tap transmitter serial number towards the bottom of the list. Tap Pair New. Enter your sensor code and tap Next. Your sensor code can be found on the adhesive paper on your sensor. Enter the transmitter serial number found on the bottom of the transmitter or the box the transmitter came in. Be careful to make sure you are entering the correct numbers and letters. Double check what you've entered before you proceed. Following the prompts on the screen, insert your sensor. Once the sensor has been inserted, snap the transmitter into place. Tap Next on your iLet screen to complete the process. The iLet's status bar will now show a searching symbol while it is pairing with the transmitter. It can take up to 30 minutes for the transmitter to pair with the iLet. Once the transmitter is paired, your iLet device will display the CGM icon in the status bar and the time remaining in the sensor warm-up period on the home screen. Use a fingerstick meter to check your blood glucose as needed until the warm-up period is complete. Remember, if you are using a smartphone to see your CGM glucose readings in addition to your iLet, you need to pair your new transmitter with your phone as well.